President. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nikita, how are you?
International organization, we know him of course.
2009.
Maybe after the beginning.
Mandate for
And then Monsignor Limardi was the desk officer for it, that he would not meet with Holy Father. The cross,
Hill of Crosses.
The crosses,
This is made by Sigitas Parulskis for his innovative literature work, which intertwines various. He was awarded the National Prize for Culture and Arts. Crosses.
the place is, what is called the place?
Šiauliai is
Šiauliai,
north of
yeah.
north of.
Yes, because we knew that not on the Jesus, but it was we were young and we came
It was
there
20 years
together,
ago now.
together with
yeah.
two our daughters. And
It is very
prayed.
impressive with the creation, the scene of creation. This one.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
Mine, I think, was really good.